In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation in Help Scout. By the end, you'll know how to build a workflow that saves time, keeps your inbox organized, and ensures conversations land with the right people. Start by heading to your Help Scout settings. In the top menu, open Manage, then go to Inbox Wajis, and choose the inbox you want to automate. This is important if you manage multiple inboxes, because workflows are tied to a specific inbox. Once you've selected the right one, look for Workflows and open it. Click New Workflow to begin. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name so you and your team know exactly what it does at a glance. Something like Auto-Tag Refunds or Assign VIP Tickets works great. The name won't affect how it runs, but it will make maintenance and reporting much easier later on. Next, choose the workflow type. Automatic workflows run on their own whenever a conversation matches the criteria you define. Manual workflows don't run by themselves. You'll apply them later as needed from within a conversation. If you want hands-off automation, choose automatic. If you prefer to trigger actions only in specific cases, choose manual. If you selected automatic, it's time to set the conditions. These are the rules that must be true for the workflow to run. For example, you might check if the subject contains the word refund, if a conversation is already tagged VIP, or if the status is new. You can combine multiple conditions using AND or OR logic to be as precise as you need. AND means every condition must be met. OR means matching any of them is enough. Take a moment to think through the logic because it determines exactly when your actions will fire. Now, choose the actions you want the workflow to perform when those conditions are met. You can add a tag, assign the conversation to a specific agent or team, change the status, send a preset reply or an internal notification, or add a note. You're not limited to one action. Combine them to create a complete, consistent response. For example, you could tag a refund request, assign it to your billing team, and set the status to pending, all in one go. Finally, review everything on the summary page. For automatic workflows, you'll see an option called Apply to Previous, which retroactively applies the actions to past conversations that match your conditions. Use this carefully, as it can make bulk changes. When everything looks right, click Activate Workflow. That's it. Your automation is live and ready to help.